came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly, to fly. I wish today it would rain all day. Maybe that'll kind of make the pain go away. Try to forgive you for a minute, day. Praying that I think about it, feeling go away. Angel away, yeah, strange in a way. Maybe that is why I choose strangers away. They all got guns aiming at me, and I become new when they're aiming at me. Me get sent, me get sent, me get sent. Somehow we both keep to become one. People strike me all smoke, brothers are coming and I'm still rising. Must be surprising, I'm just surprising. Made to win, to fight, conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly, to fly. Everybody wanna try to box me in, suffocating every time it locks me in your own fiction they crowd me in, but I still remain where the top begins, because I'm not a word, I'm not alone. I am not a girl, can never be defined, not a fly, not a levitation, I represent an entire generation. Be the criticism loud and clear, that is how I know that time is near. So we become live, it's time to fear, and I ain't got no time to spare. Crying in my eyes out the days upon days, such a heavy burden, days upon days. When you get hard, you need to come gates of the stadium, James and Kanye. Came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. To fly. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I came to win. Get ready for it. So get ready for it. Get ready for it. I came to win. To fight. To conquer. To thrive. I came to win. To survive. To prosper. To rise. To fly. To fly. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back soon with some more. Oh darn, my hair. That one sec. I don't know. I'm sorry for my hair being in a while. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll be back. That was Fly by Rihanna. I mean, yeah, Nicki Minaj and Rihanna. Rihanna beat Nicki Minaj, or Nicki Minaj beat Rihanna, whatever you want to say. So I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't recorded it for a long time. I was gonna do Hit the Lights by Selena Gomez, so I got all Hit the Lights, but I decided to do Fly because it's a lot easier to rap and everything, so I was just decided I wanted to do that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it, even though it wasn't Hit the Lights by Selena Gomez. So I hope I can do more, but I hope you enjoyed it still. I keep saying that, I don't know why. So I'm gonna go right now, so I hope you guys are saying it.